Let's finish the week with nice and strong visit. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, I have for you ZİYARət. ZİYARət. ZİYARət is a visit or to pay a visit, okay? Now, let's see some phrases and then sentences. A quick visit. Qısa ZİYARət, or you can say a short visit. Works perfectly fine as well. To pay a visit to a friend. Dostu ziyaret etmek. Dost is a friend. Dostu the friend you're visiting, basically. Ziyaret etmek, to pay a visit, to visit. Okay? Let's fasten forward to the sentences. İşten sonra muzeyə kısa bir ziyaret planlaşdırdıq. Çünkü yeni sərgini izdiham olmadan görmək istəyirdik. İstəyirdik. Written istəyirdik. Now, let's see the translation. After work, we planned a quick visit to the museum because we wanted to see the new exhibition without the crowd. Crowd izdiham. Without the crowd izdiham olmadan. We wanted to see the new exhibition, yeni sərgini görmək istəyirdik. You see how you can drop certain phrases and words and build your own sentence? Yeni sərgini görmək istəyirdik. We wanted to see the new exhibition. İzdiham olmadan, without the crowd. Çünki, I think you already know this, that's because. İşdən sonra, after work. İş, work. İşdən, from the work. That's the suffix for it. Muzeyə kısa bir ziyaret planlaşdırdıq. We planned a quick visit to the museum. Muzey is the loan word, hence you see it. Plan, planlaşdırmak, we plan, to plan. Planlaşdırdık, we planned, past tense. Okay? Next sentence. Səhər tezdən nənəmlə babamı ziyarət etmək fikrindəyəm. Sonra da onlarla birlikdə bazara gedib alış-veriş edəcəyik. Did you notice some things that is written differently and spoken differently? Alış-veriş edəcəyik. Now, let's see the translation. Early in the morning, I intend to pay a visit to my grandparents. And then we will go to the market and do some shopping together. Watch this. Pay a visit to my grandparents. In Azerbaijan, we don't have a word for grandparents. So we have to say them both. Nənəmlə babamı. With my grandma and grandpa, basically, I'm saying here. Səhər tezdən, it's early in the morning. Ziyarət etmək fikrindəyəm. That is, I intend to pay a visit. I intend to visit. Fikir is idea, actually. I'm on this idea of visiting them. So, sonra da, and then, onlarla birlikdə, together with them, basically, bazara gedib alış-veriş edəcəyik. We'll go to the market and do some shopping there. Okay? Səhər tezdən nənəmlə babamı ziyarət etmək fikrindəyəm. Sonra da onlarla birlikdə bazara gedib alış-veriş edəcəyik. Did you notice? Edəcəyik, sonra. Okay, that was today's word ziyaret. We finished the week. We'll be starting it, new set of words. Make sure to come back and check. But I will not let you go without my dad joke use. I called it networking. My boss called it a ziyaret. All right. Until we start new set of words tomorrow, which is start of the week, check masterazerbaijani.com and Master Azerbaijani app if you're interested in learning beyond words of the day. If you're happy here, well, come back tomorrow then. I'll see you there. Cheers.